Hello. To copy and paste images onto the template, you'll want to grab your image, and I have a little butterfly here, and this is selected. My layer is selected over on to the right. Right now I'm in photopea.com, which is a free online app, and you can use it on your phone, tablet, or desktop. So once you have that selected, you'll go up here and you can click Edit, Copy, and then we want to come over to the template and then select Edit, Paste. And then we want to go to Edit, and then we're going to go to the Transform Scale, and that allows us to resize our image. And then we want to shrink it so that we can fit it there, and you can still see the text on the bottom. And then over here on the right layer panel, we'll click that and right click it and select duplicate layer, and then we can just slide that over, and then we're going to do this 2 more times. Right click, duplicate, and then you can bring it down, and then once again right click, duplicate, and then slide that over. Then once you've got all your images on there, you'll go up to File, and then you can export as, and you can save it as a PNG, or just if you want it to print, make sure that you select PDF, and then it'll save it to your computer to open to print later.